I am Innovation Man. I am here to get you all fired up about innovation. Are you fired up?
I'm fired up.
Are you fired up?
I'm fired up!
I said, are you fired up?
Yes!
Why are you fired up?
I don't have any idea.
IBM had humble beginnings in 1924, taking on both incremental and radical innovations throughout history, before becoming the technology sector giant it is today. IBM was formed in 1924. From 1930 to late 1980s, IBM began a rapid process of establishing a solid foundation for its computing production. It also branched out to other sectors during this period, from the lunar landing in the 1960s to the advent of Deep Blue's defeat of the then reigning chess champion Garry Kasparov. IBM nearly faced disaster with its inability to keep track with rapidly changing market needs. Corporate client spending shifted from high profit margin mainframes to lower margin microprocessor-based systems. The PC division could not offset the company's mainframe revenue decline. IBM is a massive technology company that is involved in a multitude of markets, from aerospace and defense, to healthcare, to communication. IBM and its subsidiaries are based around four main products and services. IBM offers a variety of software from DB2 for databases to WebSphere for e-businesses. The IT Services division helps provide outsourcing, security, and business continuity. IBM offers a large range of hardware from mainframes to personal computers. The Consulting division aids businesses on technology strategy and supply chains, to name a few. In the diversified computer systems industry, IBM has direct competitors in HP, Microsoft, and Oracle. IBM also faces heavy competition from more focused companies in each sector, such as Sun Microsystems and Dell in terms of hardware, Accenture, Deloitte, Capgemini, Ernst & Young in consulting, Cisco in IT services, and finally, competition from CA, McAfee, EDS, Unisys in the massive software industry, to name a few.
Turn and face the strain. Changes. Don't tell them to grow up out of it. Changes. Turn and face the strain. Changes.
There were two momentums to organizational change, an internal change and an external one. The internal change started when Lou Gerstner became IBM's CEO in 1993 and implemented a radical innovational change in the culture of IBM, shifting from an inside focus to a customer focus, from individualism to teamwork. More importantly, he maintained a sense of urgency by making people aware of the competition and threats. The external organizational change began when Gerstner transformed IBM's business strategy from exploiting networks to exploring networks. Exploration networks differ from exploitation networks in three observable ways. First, exploration networks will make use of flexible legal structures, whereas exploitation alliances will use legal structures that enable long-term collaboration. Second, in exploration networks, partner turnover will be higher than exploitation alliances. A third measurable characteristic of networks that differs between exploitation and exploration strategies relates to partner capabilities. In exploration networks, companies will look for partners with capabilities outside their existing business. Two forces that emerged in the computer industry in the early 1990s were decisive for IBM's strategic change. The first force, system integration, originated from customers. The customers increasingly valued companies that could provide solutions integrating technology into the processes of enterprises, which saw IBM, in time, be service-led rather than technology-led. The second technological force is the emergence of the networking model of computing. The networking strategies of the early 1990s before Gerstner's arrival in 1993 are compared with the networking strategies in the beginning of the 21st century. IBM has shifted from having multiple layers of specialized suppliers in the early 1990s to employing networking strategies in the 21st century, making IBM change from a laggard to a leader in internet service provision. The Jam is IBM's Web 2.0 tool for business collaboration, focused on business-critical issues. Since 2001, IBM has used jams to involve its employees around the world in far-reaching exploration and problem-solving. During the 2006 Innovation Jam, IBM brought together more than 150,000 people. As a result, 10 new IBM businesses were launched with seed investment totaling $100 million. IBM's Innovation Jam has also helped the company to consistently set patent records. In 2008, IBM announced that it's the first company ever to earn more than 4,000 US patents in a single year. The enterprise of the future accepts change as a permanent state in an organization. IBM currently faces the challenge to bridge the gap between expected innovation activities and those actually achieved. Another challenge is, as there is an increasing need for communication techniques, there will be a greater demand for connections with larger families. Constant business process innovation is a challenge involving business and IT alignment, global integration, technology such as a Web 2.0, forming new roles and processes. The rise in the popularity of the virtual world is a great opportunity for IBM to develop advanced Second Life programs to serve different kinds of clients. Secondly, people are getting more concerned about environmental issues such as the global energy crisis and global warming. IBM can take this as an opportunity to lead on green initiatives. Also, the increase in the demand for technological education worldwide can prove to be an opportunity for IBM to develop university programs on open software computing and business skills. Finally, improving communication techniques globally is an opportunity to cut traveling costs during the recession.